There's no denying that running is a simple and highly rewarding way to stay fit and healthy. But getting started with a regular running habit can be daunting. If you can push past the initial hurdles, though, you'll reap numerous benefits. If you're curious about the positive changes running can bring to your body, I encourage you to watch this video in its entirety. Trust me, it's worth your time. Ready to take the first step? But before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and support us for more valuable content. Let's go! A 30-minute run, even at a walking pace, can significantly boost the mood of those suffering from depression, according to research. Furthermore, endurance running triggers the release of endorphins, resulting in a euphoric sensation known as runner's high. So not only does running offer a natural high, but it can also enhance your overall well-being and happiness. Start incorporating running into your routine and experience the positive effects for yourself. Running is a highly effective way to burn calories. A 70 kilograms runner can burn up to 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace, resulting in 366 calories burned in just 30 minutes on flat terrain. Running against the wind, uphill, or increasing speed can significantly increase calorie expenditure. Incorporating running into your fitness routine can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Running can actually improve knee health, contrary to popular belief. Studies have shown that runners are less likely to experience knee pain compared to non-runners. Running helps maintain a healthy body mass index, strengthens leg muscles, and bones. Each time you run, the impact of your feet on the ground puts stress on muscles, tendons, and ligaments, causing them to adapt and become stronger. Start incorporating running into your exercise routine to enhance your knee health and overall well-being. Running can improve your heart health with just 10 minutes of slow jogging per day, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Aerobic exercise strengthens the cardiovascular system, making running a great option for maintaining a healthy heart. Make it a habit to run daily for optimal results. Your brain will work more efficiently. If you've already forgotten what you ate for lunch yesterday or can't remember where you put your keys, immediately put on your sneakers and run. Aerobic exercises, which increase your heart rate and makes you sweat, has been proven by scientists to improve brain function, get better sleep, and boost your mental state with regular running. In a small experiment, scientists found that running at a moderate tempo at least 5 times a week for 30 minutes improved sleep quality and overall mental well-being. Strengthen your immunity and reduce your risk of cancer with regular aerobic exercise. Research shows that just 30 minutes of aerobic exercise can lower your risk of dying from various forms of cancer, in addition to boosting your immune system and reducing your likelihood of getting sick. Running is an all-in-one exercise that works the largest muscles in your body, including your hips, calves, and buttocks, as well as engaging your core muscles to stabilize your body. By running regularly, you'll effectively pump your whole body, toning your lower body while also strengthening your abs and back. To prevent running injuries, it's important to take certain precautions. Firstly, invest in proper running shoes, as regular footwear won't provide the necessary support. Secondly, increase the intensity of your runs gradually and supplement with other low-impact activities like swimming or cycling. Thirdly, engage in exercises that target different muscle groups to maintain balance and avoid overuse injuries. Remember to always warm up before and stretch after each workout, and consider seeking guidance from a coach to improve your technique and avoid common mistakes. To optimize your running experience, consider these factors. If you're concerned about air quality, try running on a treadmill in a gym with filtered air. However, if you have access to a park or outdoor space, running outside will provide additional benefits like fresh air and varied terrain. Outdoor running is also a great way to vary your speed and distance. Share your preference and running experiences in the comments below, and check out more videos on my channel by clicking the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.